How to turn on dark mode in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, here on the right top, you can find this three dot icon. Simply tap on it, and on the bottom, tap on settings. So now we're in the settings interface. Here you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. So slowly scroll down. Here there's a section of dark mode. Now in order to turn it on, simply tap on it and it will take some time, and as you can see, the whole interface is changed now. So it's up to you and the way you like it. So you can either have the light mode or the dark mode. At last you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.